Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you a stained glass window designed nail. So I've already done my base layer, which is just a white gel polish. And then I'm just going to use my black gel and draw on two oval shapes. I'm just thickening up some of this line here before I go on to do the second one. So once I'm happy with these two, I'm just going to pop it in the lamp to cure before coming in and starting on the centre of my flower. So I'm still using that black gel polish and just marking out some of the petals. So this is just the inside of the flower. So I'm happy with how that's looking, so I'm now going to come in and add on some petals. So as you know, petals aren't all the same shape, so these don't have to be exactly the same. So just keep adding these petals on until you've got the desired look that you're going for. If you find it easier, you can flash cure in between doing these petals so that you don't knock off your work that you've done. So after I finished this petal, I popped it in the lamp just to cure it because I didn't want to nudge it all. And then I'm going into the stem of the flower and I will add on some leaves as well. Before popping it in the lamp for a final cure, before going in with colour in, I'm just adding some lines onto the window frame. So it's now time to add colour to this. So I begin by starting on the centre of the flower. Now I do use different colours of gel in this to make it look like the leaves are all different, the petals sorry, but it's quite hard to tell by the light shining on it, but you'll be able to see it in the picture at the start of the video. So you just keep working out until you've got the petals all filled in. So I'm just using a small nail art brush for applying this gel so I could get it in all the wee bits that I wanted it to fill in and I don't leave any white spots. So I'll pop this back in the lamp again to cure before coming in with the green to do the stem and the flowers. So just applying my green now. And then for the leaves I will use two different greens again just to give it the different shades. And then pop it back in the lamp to cure again. So I'm going to come in with that black gel again and I'm just adding lines onto the back of the window for the stained glass look. And you can do these randomly, it doesn't have to be in any particular pattern. So it looks nice like that. And then next I'm going to fill in that window frame, and to do that I've mixed a little bit of top coat with a grey gel polish just so that it gives different tones again, and just brushing it all over that window frame. And then it'll get popped back in the lamp to cure again. Once that's been done, you'll just go over the whole nail with top coat and that is the design finished. I hope you have enjoyed this one, guys, and I hope you want to give it a wee shot yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye!